This has 3 brushless motors for 5 times longer lifespan. This cleans the whole pool, including the bottom walls and waterline, on a single charge for pools up to 3,000 square feet. It has a fast charge of 2.5 hours, and it will go for 150 to 180 minutes. It cleans 93 gallons per minute, and as you can see, it climbs walls because of its caterpillar tread, can easily go up those walls. I am super impressed with how this runs and how it works. This has 4 modes: a smart mode, a floor only mode, wall only mode, and the classic mode. It also has path planning, so it follows a fixed pattern instead of a random pattern to make it more efficient and get more use out of a single battery charge. So I just got this out of the pool, and then you just open that, you empty the filter, pull it out, and oh, you can see it got a lot of stuff. So you just rinse out the filter and reuse it over and over and over again, and you don't ever have to replace that.